I'm honestly beginning to think कि having hopes from films is my fault. Like them disappointing me is not their fault anymore. ये मेरी ही गलती है. But yet, I guess we're just going to stay here. You know how बहुत बार जब character deaths होते हैं film में, you feel bad. But in this film, I almost felt jealous because at least they could leave the film, but I had to watch the whole thing. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Baby John. Baby John से मुझे बहुत expectations थे. I watched the trailer and I was very intrigued, especially because I was quite excited to see Varun Dhawan in a role like this. Then there's Jackie Shroff again in a villain's role, which he does so well all the time. And it was quite an interesting story as well. I was genuinely eager to see what director Khalees, especially with Atlee also involved in this project, would bring to the table. However, this film unravels so fast. Film एक जगह है where Rajpal Yadav's character gets to give like a really cool dialogue. You know, gets that one shot at giving that one-liner, and that one-liner is comedy is serious business. And while watching this movie, you realize so is massive filmmaking. एक massive film बनाने के लिए जो एक इतने wide audience तक cater हो सके is very serious business. It's not that easy. Baby John uses a lot of templates. It uses the Simba template, the Leo template, the Jawan template, to name a few, but there's nothing that is actually quintessentially Baby John, so there's nothing new that you're watching on screen. Varun Dhawan gets his much deserved action flick with Baby John, and genuinely he is trying his best. वो अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, even with his physicality, with the way he's acting, everything to kind of make this character believable. इस film में everything feels performative, जैसे कि कैमरा के लिए कुछ हो रहा है, and that is not great filmmaking. It's not good to watch as an audience. जब हम Baby John से मिलते हैं, he is essentially living in Kerala with his very young daughter. He's a single father, he's very doting, and he's also shown to be this kind of meek person, but right off the bat we know that that is all kind of a facade. There is something much darker or much more violent lurking beneath the surface. If you look at Leo for instance, उसमें भी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है where we have a very meek or kind of a very kind person, but he snaps because of something, and it is shocking and it's amazing to watch because of how sudden it is. It's not unexpected, but it is designed so well. जो कैफे वाला scene है लियो में, the kind of finesse that you require in storytelling to make a scene like that effective is absent here. Baby John has a past. It is the past that everyone is scared of. He used to be this very righteous and very well-known police officer called Satya, जो सबके लिए काम करता था. He was a messiah of the people. You know the shtick. And it helps that Varun Dhawan is immensely watchable on screen. The tenderness that he needs with the moment with his daughter, or the kind of swagger that he requires for a character like Satya, all of that is very well balanced. The issue of course being कि writing इतनी weak है that all of it just ends up becoming kind of an archetype that we have seen before. This is a character we've seen before. The most effective dialogue I guess in the film is supposed to be that मेरे जैसे बहुत आए होंगे पर मैं पहली बार आया हूँ, but that just does not come across on the screen. You're honestly left wishing that Varun Dhawan gets an action film and a script that gives him his dues. Kirti Suresh as a doctor who meets this cop after one altercation is honestly mesmerizing on screen, and that works क्योंकि जो कीर्ति सुरेश का character है, she's supposed to be that character where the audience and Satya are both just enamored by her the entire time, and her screen presence and her natural charisma works perfectly for this character. And that's a good thing too. जो दोनों actors है, Varun Dhawan and Kirti Suresh, the charisma that they bring to screen translates directly into their chemistry. This chemistry, however, does not translate to when Vamika Gabbi's character is introduced, who also kind of becomes a romantic interest for Baby John in the film, and that is not because of the actors as much as, again, this film has a huge problem with setup. It does not set it up well. You are not invested enough in these characters at all. Then there is Sania Malhotra in a kind of blink or miss role, but even in those few seconds, she genuinely becomes so memorable. I don't think anyone else could have done an acoustic Sheila Ki Jawani recital the way that Sania Malhotra does. She has this kind of subtle, muted, comedic timing that works so well every time. I honestly wish she was there for longer in this film. अगर आपको कोई एक कमरे में ले जाए and there are 6 screens all around you and all of them are playing 6 different films, not from the start, from random points. That is how watching Baby John feels like. The concept of time got warped for me. Then there's the matter of the villain. The big bad wolf played by Jackie Shroff calls himself Babbar Sher. Okay. He is also senselessly violent. He does random acts of violence no matter what, which is supposed to make him menacing, but it does not, because all the villains are so cartoonishly evil that you find yourself rolling your eyes over and over again. Jackie Shroff, however, is great. He knows how to create that kind of physicality, the way he moves across screen, that just feels menacing. Funnily, I was thinking of like Scar in The Lion King, the way that he moves, and it's genuinely almost intimidating to see. None of this film, I'm so tired, none of this film actually made made any coherent sense to me. Acts of sexual violence against women are thrown into the script at some point, but it becomes very clear that उनको actually पता नहीं है कि इसको लेके करना क्या है, other than just making this righteous cop just take an eye for an eye the entire time. ये जाके लोगों को मारता रहता है and the violence just keeps increasing, but that's because the film is making a very crucial error in how you should deal with systemic injustice. It is telling you कि ठीक है एक matter हो रहा है, he goes beats them up, ends it, but that's not how it works. There is no actual systemic change that is happening. There's just violence after violence. And it's obvious कि film काफी real life instances से चीजें borrow कर रहा है, and that leaves you with like a knot in your chest that does not go away. And that's also because again there's not a lot of sensitivity and nuance in the way that it's being shown. But okay, this is a masala masi flick. I should not expect nuanced discussions of social justice in it. I get it. We let it go in Jawan, so why would we hold Baby John to a different standard? The answer is very simple. Jawan just basically distracts you better. And without that nuance in Baby John, a lot of the attempts that are there ki we center women in women's stories just feels like posturing. His wife in one place asks him what kind of wife was I, and this man, he turns to her and says that you weren't a wife, you were like a second mother to me. I'll give you a spoiler because again I don't really care anymore at this point, but she dies in this scene, and I genuinely believe that if he had said anything else she might have fought to live. She just gave up. There's a lot of that kind of slick cinematography, a lot of very interesting action sequences that are used. I've said this before and you must have heard it in my ramblings about Kill, but I really enjoy जब लोग random चीजें use करते हैं from their environment in their action scenes. So the way you use like weighing scales, or you would use like just a plastic pipe lying around. I genuinely enjoy that. The background score by S. Thaman, even the Baby John wala leitmotif that is used is very fun. It's very foot tapping. And that being said, there are parts of Baby John where you do find yourself enjoying a little bit, but it's just, it all unravels. Nothing actually sticks to you. So where do we go from here in the Baby John universe? Because yes, there are going to be more films. There was a Salman Khan cameo in the end, and if that is any indication, then Bhaijan might have to save Baby John till they actually figure out what they want to do with this character, this story, this film, this plot, everything. And that is why my rating for Baby John, and genuinely just because of how good Varun Dhawan was in this film, is 2 stars out of 5.